Greetings, friends. I'm real excited to show you the latest and the greatest ignition module created by one of our members, Mike Tebow. It's awesome. Check this out. We've got a range box that'll be close to the launch pad with enough cord to get us in our safety area. It's real simple. I've got an igniter hooked up here to channel 1, and I've got a box right here, so let me power this thing on. I've got power on the box, so this will be at the launch site. And then over here, we've got our power on. Shows continuity, and we'll count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, continuity. Let me do that again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. 6 channels, so we can launch 6 rockets before we have to clear the range. Thanks.